back to the CSC garage as we continue our build of the ultimate TT250 Enduro riding machine. If you missed our last install video, be sure to check out the link in the top right corner of your screen. But on today's episode, we're going to be showing just how easy it is to install these upgraded billet aluminum aggressive tread pegs. So come on, let's get started. Here we have the stock peg. It's a functioning peg. Some customers even like to take the rubber off to get a little bit more of an aggressive tread on their foot. But take a look at this. Size does matter, and these sharp points are going to give you the extra grip needed for a strong and stable ride and foot grip. And to install them, you simply need a set of pliers and a little elbow grease. Okay, the first thing we want to do is remove the existing peg. You can use some pliers to straighten out this cotter pin, or maybe even just use your fingers. Pull it through. You're going to drop the washer. And the only other fastening hardware is the pin, the spring, and an internal bushing. We don't even need this on the reinstall. Now we're ready to install the right side foot peg. And this is where a little elbow grease comes in hand. You're gonna get that spring kind of in between the two flanges of the foot peg. It's gonna hook under the bottom. So it's almost puts the spring in a twisting motion. Thanks for joining us once again here at the CSC Garage. We hope you found this video useful and you see just how easy it is to enhance and improve your TT250 by installing these high performance foot pegs. All the parts can be found in the description below, or be sure to check us out at cscmotorcycles.com. Until next time, enjoy the ride.